Across the great sweep of Earth's history, countless extraordinary creatures have risen and vanished. What remains is their story, imprinted in fossils, in memory, and now recreated through imagination. High in the cloud forests of Costa Rica lived one of nature's most dazzling amphibians, the golden toad. Bright orange and jewel-like, it emerged only for a brief window each year to breed in ephemeral forest pools. Climate change and disease sealed its fate. It was last seen in 1989. In the deep swamp forests of the southeastern United States, the ivory-billed woodpecker once echoed its haunting calls through ancient trees. Black and white, crowned in crimson, it required untouched wilderness to survive. A wilderness lost to the sawmills of progress. Towering above the forests of ancient New Zealand soared the Haast's eagle, the largest eagle to ever live. A fearsome predator of giant flightless moa birds, it ruled the skies until humans arrived, hunting its prey to extinction. And soon after, the eagle itself. In Madagascar, the elephant bird stalked through dense forest, an enormous flightless bird weighing up to half a ton. Its eggs were the largest of any animal in history. But like so many island species, it could not survive the arrival of humans. It was gone by the 1600s. And finally, along the coastal dunes of California, fluttered the Xerces blue butterfly, small, iridescent, and impossibly delicate. Its extinction in the 1940s marked one of the first recorded human-driven losses of an insect species, a quiet tragedy, fluttering out of sight. These creatures were not monsters of myth. They were real, living threads in the web of life. And though gone, their beauty remains, a whisper from the past, asking us to remember and to protect what still survives.